Hello, my name is David Senator, a member of the SOLIDWORKS product definition team at Dassault Systèmes, and I'm here to show you a new enhancement coming to SOLIDWORKS 2024, double-clicking to select a material. This enhancement was first proposed in the Top 10 List 2023 3D Experience World, then posted as an idea in the SOLIDWORKS Enhancement Ideas community. When choosing a material through the Material Dialog, you would previously need to select the material, press Apply, then close the dialog. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2024, you can simply double-click, the material is selected, and the dialog automatically closes. Thank you.